Hello everyone, let's just start our reading training with me today. Did you do your homework? Now Black has to capture this white group and there are about 3 choices. What do you think about it? Okay, we can follow from A. Now when you press here, white has a few answers. It can be the first move to save this one stone. What do you think about it now? Even now, I can't say this is an easy life and death questions. If Black just treasure, white can make 2 eyes like that. When you are Terry, white can connect. Even though you just feed one stone, I'm not gonna capture like this. White will just connect here. Then you can't break those eyes. Then what was wrong with the black? Now this was not the vital point. You have to invade first. White must Terry. And then you can stretch here. Then white can't put here, you can just capture 3 stones. So white is supposed to capture and then you cannot tarry here. Then those are fake eyes, so white can't save that. Even though white just tried to make some dirty call, something like this, just like few steps call, if white win 1 time and 2 times, then white can save. You don't have to worry. Just you don't need to. You are not responsible to answer. You can just break his one more eye. White can't run outside. Cannot escape. So now it's not working for white. Then what was wrong with white? White, this tiger's mouth was not really good move. White can make here. Even you cut here, I can save. Black can't get in here. And black has to attack from outside, then you can save. Then what about Atari at the first line? Then you can connect here. You got 2 eyes, right? Then now, after you read this move, then you have to return. Then what does black have to do? You know how to find out the vital point, right? I can just explain B first. But this time, simply it doesn't work. Even you cut here, white can capture. It doesn't work. So then we can only think about it is C. And then make him to answer. Somehow the shape is same as that we saw just now. You shouldn't get in here. White can get 1 more eye. And you can just press from outside. No matter block or jump, those are available. Even the white make all the sente. And when he try to capture this 1 stone, then make sure you can just connect from the outside. Then he can't get this eye. He must capture, then you cannot tarry. So now this situation for this life and death, you need to invade first and try to press from outside. Did you find it correct? Okay, I believe that then you found out correct. How about today's training? Today's capturing race training. I made 1 question easy, 1 question difficult, and even life and death, 1 question is easy, 1 question should be hard. Okay, I don't think this question is difficult. Black must capture this white. Somehow black is in danger. If black just try to surround it from inside, it doesn't work. White liberty is much faster. So this time you should have some sacrifice. Cut first. When he capture, you have to give 1 more stone to white. If white connect here, you can just save. So white has no other choice. He just has to capture. And then you can make all the sente. And make sure you shouldn't play like this. This is not okay. You should still feed 1 more stone to white. And feed 3 stones total. And then you can Atari. And wherever you can just press. Now your liberty is faster. Even white hane, then you can put here. So now it doesn't work. Okay. And make sure move number 3 is also important. If you are not giving 1 more stone to white, that you can make only is ko. If you connect, white can connect. You are not going to play like this. Then finally that you can do that is ko. Ko is not successful for black. Yeah. So now I don't think this pattern was difficult. But just like if I take away more stone, like this exchange and this exchange. If you are starting to read from now, I can say this is very high level. Just like you have to even read here, and even you have to read this capturing race first, then you are faster for 1 liberty, something like this, and even you had to read this as well. So normally when I take away 1 exchange, just like here, then it's much harder, and 1 more exchange and it's much harder. So we have to go up until this level. Okay, yeah. Okay, it's okay, we can do it step by step, don't be too hurry. You no need to worry, I can teach you perfectly. Okay, now the life and death question, because today I'm gonna give you the homework for the capturing race. It will be quite difficult, you have to do it slowly. Okay, now this white is in danger, but also black 1 stone is in danger. Then what do you think about it? What's your first feeling? I don't think someone want to play here, because white can save it easily. White can get 2 eyes. Yeah. So now, you know, for this kind of question, I can't say it's really difficult. Just, you shouldn't be careless. Just make sure when you have a first feeling, for example, is here, we get to read something like that. But what you have to do is you have to try to find out for white. White can do it here. When white hane, this is that you can do that, white can get 1 more eyes. 1 more eye here. Then what was wrong with the black? Because this was not the vital point. How black has to do it is Kusumi first. You know, if white doesn't answer, then you can capture white 3 stones with a snapback. If white capture, you can capture again. So now white must connect. After this, you are not playing from inside, you know. Now this is not working anything. Just like you are supporting, white territory become bigger. So now after you exchange this Kosumi, you can press from outside. Inside and outside. White is making bigger, then you can play here. So now you can capture. I don't think it was really difficult, right? Yeah, it's quite acceptable to read. Okay, how about next question? This is a little bit hard. As I told you, I will make the 1 question hard today. Okay, now I can't say it's really difficult, but if you have a misreading, then you may not solve it. So please don't be careless. Now you can guess you need to move from this 1 stone. If you just press from outside, then white can get 1 more eye. So I can say you have a 2 method to move from this 1 stone. What's your first feeling? Is your first feeling A or B? Okay, let's follow A first. White must save, right? White cannot give up this 1 stone. This 1 stone is very important. And then now we can just connect here. If white is gonna capture these 3 stones, then everything is okay. But white has a good move to make its shape bigger. Normally we get to give up at this moment. What about you? I don't think you are going to give up. You have to continue. You can just press from outside or inside, those are okay, same. Anyway, white can't get in from inside first. So somehow white can capture this 3 stone and get more eye. But black has amazing move. I can just feed 1 more stone to white and let white capture. And then you can see that cutting point, bong, and the white can't do anything. Bong. How is it? Was it great? Yeah, it's like a magic. So I don't know how to say this situation in English. Yeah, just like the feeding more stone and you can capture back many stones again. Yeah, I know in Korean and even I don't know in Chinese. Yeah, yeah. Then what about B? If white just answered, then black will be very happy. So now white must make it bigger. And then if black just hane, you know, shape is quite similar as just now, but it's different. When I play here, black doesn't have a timing to exchange this one. I'm just gonna capture. You know, this is totally different. So which means white black can think about it. But when I capture, even you give me 1 food, I'm not gonna capture. I'm not stupid. You want to play like this, but I'm gonna capture this one. So I can get 2 eyes. So maybe you may ask me, then what about I just Atari first? Of course, I'm willing to give you my 1 stone. I'm not going to play here. Then it's going to be same as the correct answer, solution. So now I can just give up. I'm very nice. I'm willing to give you 1 stone. So when you capture, I can Atari. I can separate the eyes here and here. All right. So now, yeah, there are 2 ways to read for this question. Did you find it correct? Okay. Then we can go to the homework, today's homework. Oh, this is the homework for the capturing race question. I can't say this is easy. It seems very easy. Maybe I guess you might think you already found the correct answer in few seconds, but you have to read more. You know why? It is some good move. So just like it looks like very easy, but there are many variations. Please try to do it your best. So I'm gonna tell you the correct answer tomorrow, solution. And if you think it was useful and if you enjoyed, then please like and subscribe for my channel. Then I'm gonna make more interesting question tomorrow. Thank you very much for watching my long video. Bye everybody. Bye bye. See you.